Yo, it's a little dark, but I just want to check in. Let me take this down real quick. I just wanted to check in and let me retry this. Hey, what's up? There we go. You know what I'm saying? It's a little bit dark, but I want to turn this light on, let y'all know I'm checking in. We finna go get something to eat. Yeah. See y'all in a little bit. I'm not really sure what this is. We gonna find out. Yo, so day 2 or 3, we finna go to a waterfall and yeah, see what's going on. I'll make sure I take y'all with me. Peace. Yeah, it finally pulled up and we walk into the waterfall. I'm gonna introduce y'all to a couple folks soon, but yeah. Still walking down the path trying to find the waterfall. Don't judge me. This is my first time doing a vlog, so I got a lot of the ground, but I know for next time. This right here is gotta cross it in order to get to the waterfall, so sorry about the raw footage and the shaking, but I was trying to hold my balance and you know what I'm saying, not fall down. Yeah, no, you can go ahead. I just want to put this up in this joint. I had to put one of the phones away so I could, you know what I'm saying, get down this joint and safely as possible, but I still fell. Watch. They had these little ropes attached all the way down, but I really didn't use any. I tried to use my hand as a crutch, and my other hand was recording. And for real, I fell again towards the bottom. Still trying to make it down. If you keep watching, just a couple seconds, I'm about to slip. Trying to get to a waterfall. So, yeah. I'll take it, man. Yeah, made it. Hey! The water was a little cold, but you know, on vacation, sometimes you gotta suck it up. So, yeah, here I go. Finna take a little swim. And like I said, it was cold, so let me come on back. Hey. Everybody know. Turn around and bump. We headed back to the whip so we can go to the next location, which was a beach. Everything in Guadeloupe can either be really up high or down low. So the first video was up top. This is down low, closer to the water. Beautiful beach, nice sand. I don't know what I call myself doing here, but yeah, on the beach. This the view from where I was sitting at. Then headed to a little, this one ain't as bad. Another little waterfall on a black sand beach. Also had to do a lot of climbing up and down and all the way around. Yup. Really just trying to take my time. And that's Axel and Jade in front of me. The person who I rented my Airbnb from, it's their niece and nephew. And so I travel solo, but they've been showing me a lot when I feel up to it. And we made it. Almost cut that joint open. Hey! Yo, just busting a coconut open. Finna eat some. Yeah. We out here. Guadeloupe.